guys, we're Sarah and John Lee, and we live and travel full-time out of our Ram ProMaster van. We are currently traveling all across North America with the goal of hitting all 50 United States.
Well, we left Augusta and are making our way to Macon, Georgia. And going through Georgia here, we found this cool spot for camping, which is just, it seems really cool. It's between, you can see out here, the sun hitting the lake there. And actually on the other side here, there's the lake over here too. Looks like a really cool place to explore. Might stay here a couple nights. There's a cool little pavilion thing here. And a fire pit with someone left cardboard. So we'll have a little fire going. We'll see how it goes. I don't think any of this is dry. Good morning. Today we're just gonna explore this little spot we're camping at, but besides that, we're just hanging out. I'm gonna try to get the drone up, see how this place looks from above. Surrounded by this lake, it's a pretty cool spot.
with chocolate cake as a motivator. This is how he works. Today we are visiting the Ocmulgee Mounds National Historical Park. It's considered to be a very spiritual place. It's basically the burial grounds of an ancient civilization that lived about 1,000 years ago. So let's go take a look around.
Well, tried to go down to this one camping spot, and apparently it's private property. So the road is not very easy to turn around in. So we're backing up. All right, we made it. We backed up like half a mile. Well, she backed up like half a mile. And yeah, we're gonna try a different spot. We're in like western Georgia, and we're gonna actually go more toward the Alabama line. Looks like there's a spot we can camp there. Let's find out.